300 Idioms and Phrases. Part 2. 31. As clear as day. Meaning: very easy to understand. For example, the step-by-step instructions were as clear as day. As clear as mud. Very difficult to understand. The instructions for setting up the Wi-Fi were as clear as mud. Burn the midnight oil. To study or work late into the night. I have a big exam tomorrow, so I'll be burning the midnight oil tonight. Burn the candle at both ends. To exhaust oneself by doing too many things, especially both late at night and early in the morning. He has been burning the candle at both ends by doing a part-time job and preparing for his exams. Come rain or shine. Whatever happens, or regardless of the circumstances. Come rain or shine, I'll see you on Monday. Day and night. All the time, or continuously. Examples: he studied day and night to prepare for his exams. The store is open day and night. Day in, day out. Continuously, or repeatedly over a long period of time. He is tired of doing the same things, day in, day out. They argue about the same issues, day in, day out. Easy as pie. Very easy. The English grammar test was easy as pie. Don't worry about the math homework, it's easy as pie. Easier said than done. Something that's easy to talk about but difficult to actually do. Learning English in 1 month is easier said than done. Writing a perfect essay is easier said than done. Fair and square. Honestly, and without cheating. He won the spelling competition fair and square. From scratch. To start something from the very beginning. He baked the cake from scratch, using only fresh ingredients. Get your ducks in a row. To be well organized and prepared. Before presenting the proposal, make sure you get your ducks in a row. You must get your ducks in a row before the meeting. Hit the books. To study hard. I need to hit the books before my exams. In black and white. In writing, or in print. The rules are in black and white, so there's no misunderstanding. Jack of all trades. A person who can do many different types of work. He can fix a laptop, bake a pie, and build a fence. He's a jack of all trades. Know the ropes. To understand how to do a particular job, or task, or to be familiar with the procedures, or methods. It's easier to work here once you know the ropes. After a few days on the job, I started to know the ropes. Like riding a bike. To describe a skill that, once learned, is never forgotten and can be performed easily even after a long period of inactivity. Don't worry about using the old software, you'll see, it's like riding a bike. Once you learn to type, it's like riding a bike, you never forget it. Miss the boat. To lose an opportunity by being too slow to act or decide. He missed the boat by not applying for the scholarship before the deadline. No pain, no gain. To express the idea that suffering, hard work, or significant effort is necessary to achieve something worthwhile. Learning English is hard, but no pain, no gain. Keep practicing, no pain, no gain. Studying late at night is tough, but no pain, no gain. Once in a blue moon. Very rarely. Our teacher gives surprise tests once in a blue moon, but today was one of those days. Pull someone's leg. To tease or joke with someone, often by telling them something that isn't true. Relax, I'm just pulling your leg, you didn't fail the test. Quiet as a mouse. Very silent. The students were quiet as a mouse during the surprise test. Reach for the stars. To aim high. He's reaching for the stars by applying to top universities. You should always reach for the stars and never settle for less. See stars. To temporarily see flashes of light, or feel dizzy, usually after being hit on the head. When I was not looking and accidentally hit my head on the door, I immediately saw stars for a few seconds. The coast is clear. There is no danger, or obstacle, or it is safe to proceed. He whispered, the coast is clear. Go. Up in the air. Something is uncertain, or undecided. The date of our English test is still up in the air. With flying colors. To do something very successfully. He passed his English test with flying colors. You can say that again. I completely agree with you. That test was tough. You can say that again. Your guess is as good as mine. I don't know either, or I have no idea. Your guess is as good as mine about when the test results will come. Zip your lip. To stop talking, or to keep quiet. The teacher told us to zip our lips before starting the exam. Fill in the blanks. 1. The instructions were, but following them under pressure was. 2. Students often. Before exams. 3. The market will be open tomorrow. As clear as day. Easier said than done. Burn the midnight oil. Come rain or shine. 4. After studying. He passed his exam. 5. Means something is very easy to do, requiring little or no effort. 6. The team won the match. Day and night. With flying colors. Easy as pie. Fair and square. 7. He started learning English a year ago. 8. I can't go out tonight. I have a big test tomorrow, so I need to. 9. The contract should be. It feels official when it's. From scratch. Hit the books. In black and white. In black and white. 10. When the manager offered me a promotion, I thought he was trying to. I didn't realize the chance was real until it was gone, and now it's obvious. 11. Is used to express complete agreement with what someone has just said. Pull my leg. Missed the boat. Thank you for watching and listening. Click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more videos. Don't forget to like and share.